Alright, construction workers. Tomorrow, we're gonna be building a huge mall. I like it to be done as soon as possible, so try to work your hardest.
Wait. Stop right there. One more boss would like to be part of this job.
Hello there, sir. What can we do for you today?
I would also like a job as a construction worker. I want to help with this new mall you all are building.
Alright, sure, but one question. Do you have a general equivalency diploma?
Yes, I do.
Alright then. You're hired. Construction doesn't start until tomorrow, so all you construction workers can go home for the day. We still need to get some supplies for the mall. Good morning, Dustin. You're preparing yourself for a long day today. Are there any breaks? Are you ready to start?
Yes, I am. So, what should I get started on?
Do you see the pile of dirt over there?
Yes, I see it.
We need you to use the loader to gather up the dirt so we have a huge empty space for the building.
Sure, seems easy enough.
Nice job. You did pretty good there. One of the dump truck are arriving, so your next task is to go to the water truck so the dirt doesn't get everywhere.
Okay. Seems wet enough in this area. I guess I'll go back.
Nice job. Now we need to get some tools, then we can start building the mall. I think all the construction workers cleared up all the space we need.
Okay, I'll be waiting on the other side.
Alright, workers. Now this is where the real building begins. We got nails, bricks, hammers, screwdrivers, screws, and more. We have all the tools we need for the building. Some of the other construction workers have gotten a little bit of the building done, so you should all go and help out.
Hey, are you doing okay down there?
Yes, I'm doing just fine. This is quite a lot of work we are doing.
Yeah, agreed, but you'll be fine once this is finished.
I'm going back down for a bit.
Okay.
Hey, do you need something?
Not really. I'm just checking out how everyone's doing.
Is that so? That's cool. But aren't you going to continue helping us out?
No worries. I'll get back to that real soon.
Hey, can either of you lend me a hand here?
I'll help you.
Thanks.
Construction workers, I'm very proud of your hard work. The building is close to being done and it's only been 9 hours. Words cannot describe how proud I am.
As much as we're almost done with the building, we still could use a break. How about we all stop for the day?
Sure. I hope you all have a good night, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning.
Well, everyone at home, so what should I do now? I have an idea. When it gets dark outside, I'll finish the rest of the building on my own. Until then, I'll go take a drive around the city.
Okay, construction workers. Let's finish the rest of the...
What the heck? Why is the building covered up? It's not even finished yet.
Yeah, I don't remember this being finished yesterday.
Hey guys, I'm here. So, what's going on?
Dustin, I have a feeling about you were behind this. Were you up all night finishing the building without any of us to help out?
Well, Joey, yes, I was. I finished everything. The entire mall is ready to go. You don't need to worry about building this anymore.
I doubt you could possibly finish a huge building like this in one entire night. If it's really finished, how about we see it?
Alright then, guys. I now present it to you, the new mall. What do you guys think? Come on. I want your honest opinions.
What do you guys think?
I think I would like to start off by saying, hold on. What's the word I'm looking for? Oh yeah. The building looks very bad.
Yeah, the building looks like freaking crap.
Yes. Like, how can anyone think this is good? It looks like it got destroyed by the nuclear bomb.
I agree with you all. This is the worst building I've ever seen in my life. It would be probably best if this building gets, I don't know, freaking demolished.
Dustin, you are a disgrace to all of the construction workers in the city. This building could have turned out good if you simply cooperated with us.
Thanks to you breaking the rules and making a terrible building, we have to start this building all over again because of you. And as we restart, you're fired.
Come on, guys. I can fix this. I'm sorry. I promise not to mess up with this again. Please don't fire me. I need this job.
None of us give a crap. You should listen to what our boss says.
That's right. Now get out of your construction outfit and get out of our sights this instant.
Dustin. I cannot believe you stayed up all night, finished the building on your own, made a terrible building, and got fired from the construction site. You know that you are not supposed to do that at all. Plus, you should have gone to bed. That's it. You are grounded for 17 weeks. Go to your room right now.